So here's the app you're looking for, called Trips by Triumph. Open real card packs, sell them or ship them home. Basically, here you have it. The idea is that you can go two ways. Either you buy it and play this game, and then, for example, you buy for $1 with Apple Pay, and then you just try to win some card. Or you can just use a referral code. So here's just use my code, for example. So use my link if you haven't signed up yet, and then you can just enter my code. So when you enter the code, I get free pack, you get a free pack. So you got your first free pack, and then you can kind of open it, and then it can be worth up to $100. Usually it worth like around $1, $2, $3, $5, but up to 100 if you're super lucky. And then you can get your own referral code. You share it with friends, and you, for every friend who signed up with your code as you did with mine, you're getting free pack. And free pack again can be worth up to $100. So this way I already collected like 247 and then another 68. And then you can just go and tap cash out. You need to provide your passport photo, your selfie photo, any country, and then you are able to withdraw to PayPal, Venmo, bank, debit card, wherever you like it. There are no country limitations. It just says sometimes that it's not available in your location. Probably it's only available in US properly, but you still can use this referral functionality from any country in the world: India, Philippines, Asia, Africa, South America, of course, Europe, US. And then you can just easily cash out to your PayPal, to your debit card. So, just use my code, sign up. You get your own code, create TikTok videos, just, how to get this referral code. And then basically people use your code in the app and get free money.